Kesengsan Partai Voice of the People Party VPP hakakalai terik nopra kali kendo yau Menteri Rangbak Kejelah Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakabedai bat gajing pentip belapen mi nak sorkar jela ke bakanglat ya kinohikai bagentup naduk kinohikai skul ki lecturer ki professor bat ki bekibai bakanglat iki banbat ikinu kinu kikam hagi sengsan partai. Habakran kinong tok kubor u Presiden jaga VPP uba Arden mela basai umat ulang bagi lapan pau ya kejing sengu lengo halor ke negara jong ke sorkar jela ke bakanglat ikinu hikai bagin bat ikinu kinu kikam bat ki kerdan hagi sengsan partai. Uang balapan kan mau yu Menteri Rangbak hakabedai bat ke benta ke bagi nohikai kilale bantai ke jela bat kiwe kikam. Ulang bahagi senam gi bamensyua ki nohikai kilan no senyang shibuan hak por belatau ke jela bat hakapor beki banyo la ke jong ke jela. Ulang bagi nohikai kilan no senyang shikat dai hakabedai bat ke jingroi jong ke jela. Bat ke jela rok lapan mi ya bon ki krau ki badai ki nohikai. Ula ainuk saru ki nohikai kum u Profesor Gigi Swell, u Profesor MN Majau, nangta uba Hoover Nyota, u Profesor RS Lingdo, Profesor Alexander Warjri, Profesor Korbar Singh, Profesor B Pakem, Dr. BR Karluki, Profesor PG Marbanyang bat kibai ki balano senyang shikadai syak jela. Ha kabedai pat bat kajingbo kendon ni kinohikai ha ki skol ba bat ki college negeri India. Ula pentip bala peniyat yaki da ka University Grants Commission na kapor syakapor. Baru ulang bawa la ke sorkar jela gran kebor ban peniyat ka Kampuli Putih hendrai ki hapat ban buat ki kendon bala bu da ka UGC. Ha kabedai bat ka jing tengko jonggian jong ke sorkar pedeng leng ba ka UGC bat ke sorkar jela kaan jong ke sorkar jela Kamtri Kamshu. Kumta uba Arden mela basai umat ulang ba ha u benai jembang jong ke senam arajar kat kendai. Ka UGC kelapan mi ekarai bagi nohikai hagi skol ba bat ki college ki basyajit kum ki MP ne ki MLA ki lak ban beteng ya ki kam jong ki kum ki nohikai. Bat kum jur ha kajuk kapor bakin long ki MP ne ki MLA klem dapat sange no eki na kam hikai. Uba Arden mela basai umat ula kentui ke sorkar jela bagan weng no eku hukum jongka namar ba kam yahap bat ku hukum jong ke sorkar pedeng.
As a party, we have expressed our shock, dismay and anguish against the decision of the government to bar teachers, lecturers and professors from holding office of political organization and local bodies. We have reminded the Chief Minister about the constructive and active role of members of the teaching community, especially in the preceding years of statehood and also during the Hill State movement. They have contributed and have made an immense contribution to the overall and growth of the state. And the state have produced many stalwarts from the teaching fraternity that include Professor Gigi Swell, who was instrumental in the establishment of NEHU, Professor Martin Narayan Majau, who is an architect of the Mega Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971, which is one of the finest legislation in the state. Professor R.S. Lingdo, the first Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Professor Alexander Wajri, Professor Korbar Singh, Professor B. Pakem, Dr. B.R. Karluki, Professor P.G. Marbanyang and others, have also reminded the Chief Minister, in case he is not aware, that the university and college teachers are governed by the University Grants Commission's regulation. Therefore, the state government cannot arbitrarily make rule on the university and college teachers. UGC is a statutory body set up by the Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Therefore, it is a commission set up by the Government of India. So the state government, as we know, when there is a conflict between the central and state law, always the central law prevails. So therefore, the step taken by the government is very much unconstitutional. And we have also made mention here that in May 2019, the UGC made a decision that those teachers in universities and colleges who are elected as members of parliament or members of state legislature can continue their teaching duties while at the same time execute the functions as MPs and MLAs without the necessity of taking any kind of leave if they so desire. Paragraph 17.0 of the 2018 regulation deals with the Code of Professional Ethics of Teachers, and at serial 4 of subpara 7 of this paragraph states that teachers should perform the duties of citizenships, participate in community activities, and shoulder responsibilities of public offices. So, moreover, it has been well established by the Division Bench of the Guwahati High Court in writ appeal number 14 of 2001, dated 7th December 2005, that employees in government-aided educational institutions are not government employees. So therefore, teachers in colleges and universities cannot be barred from participating in politics and holding the office in any political organization. And you see, by giving this kind of notification, the government is deprived the state, is deprived the state of good leaders and good policy makers.